Wow, I gotta go way in there. Wait. Oh, there we go. The camera was mounted like this last time I was in here. So I need to do another promotional video. I'm teaching another workshop at the Woodstock School of Art, and this one is called Think Big. So you'll be able to work on large pieces. You can make them as large as you want. And it's going to be working with encaustic paint, digital imagery, mixed media. We'll also use stuff like acrylic paint, gold leaf, a bunch of stuff. It's going to happen over 4 Thursdays. So, let's see, June 18th, June 25th, July 2nd, and July 9th. So you'll have 4 days to work on these pieces. And since we'll have a week in between sessions, you'll have time to think about your work, and you won't feel like you have to rush things to finish a piece in 2 days or 3 days. I'm going to print 4 sheets of imagery for you to start, and if you want more, let me know. We can work that out. But I think this is a good way to really focus on something and to get to work large. So if you're interested, go to the Woodstock School of Art website and sign up for my workshop called Think Big. Anyway, it'll be a good workshop. This is going to be in Woodstock, New York, thus the Woodstock School of Art. So if you're in New York, you can go there and take the workshop. I hope to see you there, so check out their page. All right, I gotta move this camera back, I guess. Ah.